Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I got a Playdoh set. It's the Playdoh shopping cash register. Yeah, it's got bananas. I like bananas. So, it's a 3 plus, and it's got 4 Playdoh cans. That's what it says. And you can put banana here. Yeah. Now, on the back, you can easily push a button here at real shopping, as in real life. Alright, so before I'm gonna get a shout out. Shout out to Awesome Pop. Because you can start an Awesome Pop YouTube video. You can start the cast organ show too. Yeah. So go check out Awesome Pop, and the link is going to be in the description box below, and for the social medias. Alright, so let's get started. Show my face. There we go. Yo. That's it right there.